Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video. Today I created this hose pipe effect. Actually the liquid from this pipe effect, this pipe is like moving randomly with curl noise and we have this liquid coming out from this pipe. It was good, you can use it somewhere in the game or may not be. So if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe it. If you like this video, like, share and comment, and let's start this tutorial.
CGHOW. CGHOW.
First of all, subscribe my YouTube channel and also click on bell icon so you will receive all new video notification. So let's start this again. So I'll just create a new level. I don't want it to make the scene heavy. And then I have this effect. So I will create the Niagara and use the new system from the template behavior. And from here we can take this liquid simulation, this flip grid 3D flip hose, and I'll just use it. And this is test. And here you can see already have something pouring this container and it has two emitter. The second one is this white particle like a foam. We don't need that, so I will delete that. We just need water. And then in this one we can make this the location of spawning a little the radius we can reduce. So like it is 50, we can make it 5, so it will be just very thin. Okay. Then we have the velocity on x. We can reduce that so on particle directly fall straight like this. Okay, we can make it like 10, 20. Little bit you can add. Then we have this sphere location. So we have the offset that we can animate. Currently it is Z300 and we can create a pipe and then connect this with that. So what you have to do, let's create a fountain. And this is my hose pipe, and if I isolate this, I have this. Okay, so instead of sprite renderer I need a ribbon, and then in the ribbon I need a basic color. So I will just take this color and we can make this color maybe red or blue, whatever you want. Okay, so maybe point to a dark red or maybe 0.4. Then here in the down we have the ribbon size, so we can make this 20 or 10, whatever you want. Then in the ribbon, instead of planar, you can use the tube and use the maximum subdivision, that is 16. So you have a tube, and I'll make the color even darker. And then it should not fade, so I'll delete this. I don't need drag also, I don't need gravity. I don't need this velocity also, and not shape. And then the life I will use just 1, and just uniform size here. And so clean up. So it has this spawn rate, maybe you can use 100. Then if I add a curl noise, you cannot see the ribbon because we don't have any velocity. So if you add the curl noise, fix it, and now you can see that I can animate this also, and maybe 10, 100. So it will move randomly. Cool. And also let's add a velocity on x-axis. So slightly it will go on one side, but not, you don't use the random value. Just use maybe 100. Okay, so if I just turn this off, it is under this water. So in the initial position, I will make this maybe 300. So you can see it is the same position. We have the water, and then in the user parameter we can turn on the bounding box. So I want this to make here in the wall. So in this initial position I will make -100 on x, -200 because it is 400 by 400. So it is there, right? and the velocity will be like 200. So it will be more like, I don't want z velocity. Okay, so I have velocity on this axis, and you can reduce the life if you want it, if this tube is little longer. Okay, and also curl noise, you can use the ultra quality if you want. So basically you have this pipe, right? And if I make a new level here and drag it into the viewport, we have that pipe. Although the material is not good, but yeah, you can create a material for that. So we have this pipe. I want my sphere location of this fluid to link with this last particle of this ribbon. So that is actually the first particle here. So what you can do in your sphere location, we have the offset. So I will create a dynamic input and delete this and take the reader, particle attribute reader, and then I'll take the vector by index. I'll take the first particle, that is the 0 index, and I'll take the position from that, and that position will be output of my sphere location. Apply and name here the second emitter. And there's a issue. It's showing you the error, and that is because this emitter is not GPU, and this is my GPU particle. But if you make this GPU, it will have error because ribbon doesn't support GPU. So you can turn this off, this ribbon for now, and then make it GPU. Fix this and then make it determinism. So it will be always same, no randomness. And then you can copy this, paste it here again, just to preview my pipe. So in this one, the second one, I will turn off the GPU and turn on this. So basically what I'm doing, this first is GPU but doesn't show any particle, but this is giving you the position, and this is second just to preview. So we have this. Looks cool, right? And this thing, if you don't want to fill it completely or want to height reduce, you can make it 10, so the height will be reduced. And this is how you can use your ribbon and link your fluid to the last particle. Okay, so that was very quick. I hope it is useful. So thanks for watching. Keep learning. Bye bye.